Mastering collocations. Incorporating them into your speaking practice. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: collocations. We are going to discuss some effective strategies on how to incorporate collocations into your speaking practice. Remember, collocations are common combinations of words that native English speakers use all the time, which can make your spoken English sound more fluent and natural. Collocations are like inseparable friends in English. They naturally go together and help you sound more like a native speaker. For instance, we say, take a shower, instead of, do a shower, or, make a decision, instead of, do a decision. Using the correct collocations enhances your fluency and your listeners' comprehension. There are several strategies to learn collocations. 1. Reading widely. Reading books, articles, or even social media posts can expose you to a variety of collocations. 2. Keeping a vocabulary notebook. Jot down new collocations you encounter. Write not just the collocation itself, but also its meaning and an example sentence. 3. Creating flashcards. Use them to review the collocations. On one side, write the collocation. On the other side, its meaning and an example sentence. Once you're comfortable with your bank of collocations, it's time to put them to use in your speaking practice. Here are some strategies. 1. Practice in context. Use collocations in sentences that are meaningful to you. If you're studying business English, practice collocations in a business context. 2. Role plays. Role plays can be a great way to practice using collocations. For example, if you're practicing the collocation, make a decision, you could role play a business meeting where decisions need to be made. 3. Language swap. Find a language partner who is also learning English. You can practice speaking English together, focusing on using the collocations you've learned. Like with any new language skill, repetition is key. Regularly review the collocations you've learned and continue to practice using them in your spoken English. This practice will move those collocations from your short-term memory to your long-term memory, making them a natural part of your English speaking. That's all for today. Remember, mastering collocations is a surefire way to boost your English fluency. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use these strategies to enhance your spoken English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you on your journey to English mastery.